Hey, dude. Today, I would like to talk about the Chromebook. In right of me, you can see this is a Chromebook. The Chromebook is a very simple laptop. You can see this is a very simple, different as a Windows. The Windows is a very complex, and this Chromebook is a very simple thing. If you are using so much Google account or Google service, I feel this is suitable for you. And now the Chromebook have a version 133 like this. You can see in here. I'm using a Samsung Chromebook 4 to manage so much my Google account. So when I need to switch, this is very easy when I'm using this Chromebook because this Chromebook powered by Google. And this is the desktop. You can see here, this is the big screen when you can look at the my desktop here. And yeah, this is very simple, right? I would like to talk with this. There is so many tutorial or official tutorial when you started this Chromebook. Like if you bought Chromebook for yourself and you are in the new installation your Chromebook, get started with your account. That is so very easy because there is step by step that this Chromebook guide for you. So in this video I just start from here, from the desktop. I feel you finish your registration and get your desktop like this. Or if you don't have Chromebook, you can look at this video. So if you want to book, you can choose very wisely. But I talk with you, if you are employee or you work by yourself and you are using so many Windows ecosystem, I feel this is not suitable for you because you cannot do your job, bro. You need so many software in Windows. So if you are want to get secondary laptop, maybe your Windows laptop is your primary, you need a secondary, this is suitable for you. But if you want to make this Chromebook be primary and you are using so many ecosystem from Windows, this is not suitable for you. Okay, now I would like to start with the file manager. File manager is a very important thing in so many operating system. With file manager, you can see your files, and in this Chromebook you can see here as default file manager in taskbar like this. But you know that in this Chromebook is not looks like a Windows taskbar. Chromebook have special name here. You can call it self. Like this, self. If you see the Windows have a taskbar and Chromebook have a self here, and you can set this self to left like this. This is looks like you are using Ubuntu distro Linux, or if you are want to get this right. I feel this is very different at so many people, but when you are want to get a general position, you can using this at the bottom. This is look like a Windows taskbar. Okay, I would like to go on the file manager here, and when you can see here the size is not full, and you can double click here, so you can see the file manager is full like this. And you can see here there is a download here. The download area here, as default, you can store your download files from another website to this folder. I see this download folder is a very central. So if you create your account again here, you can create so many account here. Just sign in with your Google account, and you can see each account will have a download folder, but that is a very different. One account to another is a very different. You cannot see download folder, and you cannot see the file in download folder from another account. So this is very secure. If you are using your Chromebook together with your friend, with your family, or any people, because this spirit, this is very different. This look like different planet. And then if you are using your SD card appear here. Yeah, appear here. You can see this is the SD card. And my Chromebook, Samsung Chromebook 4, have a one SD card slot that I can using my SD card, micro SD card, to be my expand storage because in this case my Chromebook have a little storage. This is a very little because the storage just 32 gigabyte. Dude. This is a very difficult for me to get so many file here because limitation. So that's it. There is your internal storage here, my files, you can see here. And this is external storage, your external storage. If you are using micro SD or you can using flash disk or another SSD external, or maybe if you are make your hard disk portable, you can see the external storage will be appear in this section. And in the center, you can see Google Drive. Yeah, Google Drive is a online store. Google Drive is online drive that you can get your Google Drive account here. If you are using Google One and you're subscribed the Google Drive to get more space, you can get your Google Drive file here and you can synchronize all. If you add in this folder, so you can synchron your online drive very easy in here. So if you want to know well about this file manager, just make this easy. You can remember this section. There is three sections here. Internal storage, online storage here, or external storage. Just three here. Alright, this is so very simple, you can remember. And the operator is so very easy when you are using this. Just if you want to copy or paste, you can using this. Copy or paste here. This is the same with another operating system. Or if you want to get info your files, you can see here. Just right click and get info here. If you want to rename, just here, there is a rename here. And if you want to make your file to be zip archive, you can doing here for free because this is the main feature of the Chromebook. You can make the archive for free and you don't need the third party or you don't need to install another software here because there is a feature. And if you want to get this folder faster, you can pin to self here. And then you can see there is a folder here. If you want to get this, you can close like this. I would like to practice to you. And I would like to click here. This is the folder. Like this. This is the pin files. This is my folders that I pinned before. And click, just like, click. Double click like this. You can find your folder very faster. If you have so much folder here, this is so very helpful for you. Okay, so enough for today. And I would like to make this limitation here because the duration, I cannot doing great tutorial long time because my channel is not big. So I need to make a short tutorial like this, and in this video, I show you about the files manager here because the files manager is so very important. I think this is very important not only in this operating system but all operating system. Files manager is so very important. So I make this in the first tutorial. Okay, this is enough in the first tutorial, and I hope you enjoy my video. And I just trying to talk with the English here properly. So when I get wrong pronunciation or any error here, I hope you apologize here because I get started to create the English channel here. And if you are want to get so many tutorial that I have, you can see my another channel in my primary country. You can see that and the link in the description. See ya.